Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the magical world of winter wedding outfits. Winter weddings are enchanting with their cozy atmosphere, shimmering snow, and romantic candlelight. However, dressing for a winter wedding can be a bit tricky. You want to stay warm without compromising on style, and you need to choose the right colors and fabrics to complement the season. Whether you are the bride, bridesmaids, or guest, we have got you covered with some stunning winter wedding outfit ideas. Velvet is the ultimate winter fabric, luxurious, warm, and incredibly elegant. A velvet gown in deep jewel tones like emerald green, burgundy, or navy blue is perfect for a winter wedding. These rich colors not only complement the season but also add a touch of sophistication to your look. Pair your velvet gown with statement earrings and a pair of metallic heels to elevate the ensemble. For an added layer of warmth, consider a fox fur stole or a chic shawl. Long sleeves are a stylish and practical choice for winter weddings. A long sleeved gown offers warmth while maintaining a refined and graceful appearance. You can opt for delicate lace sleeves for a romantic vibe or choose a sleek satin or crepe dress for more modern look. Long sleeved gowns are also versatile, working beautifully for both bride and guests. Accessorize with a statement necklace or a jeweled hairpiece to complete the look. For those who want to break away from the traditional dress, a chic jumpsuit is a fantastic option. Jumpsuits offer a contemporary and fashionable alternative while still being appropriate for formal events. Choose a jumpsuit in a winter appropriate fabric like velvet, satin, or wool blend and opt for a darker, more sophisticated color. Pair it with heeled ankle boots or pumps and a tailored coat for a sleek winter ready outfit. Winter weddings are perfect occasion to bring out the sparkle. A sequin dress or skirt can add a touch of glamour and festive cheer to your winter wedding outfit. Choose sequins in metallic shades like silver gold or rose gold or opt for darker hues like black or navy for a more dramatic look. Keep the rest of your accessories minimal to let the sequins shine. A simple clutch and understated jewelry will complement your outfit perfectly. Wrap dresses are universally flattering and can be easily styled for a winter wedding. Opt for a wrap dress in thicker fabric like wool or velvet and pair it with opaque tights for added warmth. Knee-high boots or classic pumps can complete the look. Wrap dresses come in various lengths, so whether you prefer a mini, midi, or maxi, you can find one that suits your style and formality of the event. Layering is key when dressing for a winter wedding. Start with a base layer like a thermal top or slip and add a chic dress or skirt and blouse combo. You can then layer on a stylish coat or cape for added warmth. Capes in particular can add a dramatic and regal touch to your outfit. Consider a wool or cashmere cape in a rich color or pattern to make a statement as you enter the venue. If you're bridesmaid at a winter wedding, you will want to find a balance between warmth and style. Long floor length gowns in seasonal colors like deep burgundy, forest green, or royal blue are always a good choice. Consider dresses with embellishments like beading or sequins to add some sparkle. Fox fur shawls or billowers are great accessories to keep warm during outdoor photos while adding a touch of luxury to the look. For winter brides, a winter white gown is absolutely stunning. Consider a dress with long sleeves, intricate lace detailing, or an elegant high neckline for a classic winter look. You can also add a bit of winter flair with a fox fur wrap or cape, which not only keeps you warm but also adds a regal touch. Accessories with crystal jewelry and a sparkling tiara or headpiece to complete your winter wonderland look. Winter weddings often have a more formal or black tie dress code when gives you the perfect opportunity to go all out with your outfit. Opt for a floor length gown in a sophisticated fabric like satin or velvet. Deep, rich colors like plum, navy, and black are ideal for a black tie event. Consider a dress with embellishments like beading, embroidery, or metallic details for an extra touch of glamour. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty inspiration. Bye for now.